Hello and welcome. The purpose of this video is to inspire hope, ignite imagination, and the love of learning in you. Instill the love of learning in you. I'm often asked, Arif, what is personal development? So I had to go on this search of really finding out what was the personal development. How do you take the knowledge of all of these books, audio series, videos that you see and turn it into money? Big question mark. How do you monetize personal development? Well, let me tell you this. Everything starts with the person you become. See, the purpose of personal development is that you can achieve the highest form of being. You can be the best human being that you can be where you are with what you have right now. The purpose of coaches, trainers, mentors, and wise men is to help you, not them. They help you to become highest potential, highest form of yourself. How do they do that? Well, there's very simple weapons that you can have. The highest weapon formed for you is a pen and paper. Why? Nobody will remember anything. You will not remember what I said in this video unless you replay, rewind, or put it in words. So the personal development can open up gates to you, can help you grow, can migrate to another country, study the topic of your interest, do whatever it is that you really wanted to do. So why wouldn't people grow or join this movement of personal development, which started in the public domain in 1930s by Napoleon Hill, and ever since has been evolved. And now today we are told that everything that happens in your life happened between the 6 inches between your 2 ears right here. So why wouldn't I be able to develop the ability to think better, build relationships better, make more money, have more fun, enjoy life to the max? But I learned that happiness is victory. It's not pleasure. So if you want the feeling of victory, you have to have milestones that you can go for and achieve and then feel woohoo, I did it. If you have no goal, you can't hit a target you can't see. Personal development is about helping you set goals, become the highest potential, dig inside you into your hereditary and your environmental settings and see how you can be the best form of yourself right now where you are. For example, let me give an example. You could be a monk in the mountains of Tibet and go into this area of awareness where you can make a video like this and impact the world. That's what Dalai Lama has done. There are so many other. Rumi, back 800 years ago, went through incredible, deep knowledge of personal development. And he had explained all of this beautifully. So are other gurus. Until the 1930s, this knowledge was not really available to the public domain, to everybody. You had to go through specialized people, knowledge, wise men, and the systems. But Napoleon Hill interviewed 500 richest men in America back in 1930s, and he put it in a book, and he said, this is the formula for success, and anybody can use it. And that book has sold more copies than any other book in history. Why? Because it has full of stories that you can relate to. So when I wrote the Ministry of Miracles, I wanted to get you an upgrade of what's here. Believe me, miracles are within your ability and your reach if you personally develop and become the highest form of yourself. So I'm looking for a challenger. I'm looking for somebody to join the movement. Say, I learned this, I applied this, and this is the result, Arif Gilany. That's what I do this. I'm passionate about people. I love to see you grow. Let's see you on the next video. Put some of this action, from some of this wisdom, some of this advice into action. What you do, listen to CDs in your car. Nighttime, just read a couple of pages of a book or notebook, or just read a quote or apply it. What is a good teacher? A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite imagination, and instill a love of learning. I love for you to love how to learn all lifelong, because learning is a lifelong journey, and it's a sad man, the one who is not reading, even though he has. The illiterate of tomorrow are those who learn, relearn, and unlearn quickly, not those who can read and write. You have absolutely no advantage over my mother, who is not able to read or write. She's illiterate. But you, if you don't read, you have no advantage over my mother, because everybody can speak and everybody can watch and everybody can converse. But what you're conversing on, what are you talking about, is a result and a direct result of your personal development, the person you have become. So other people will like to talk to you, collaborate with you, share, like, and endorse you, because you have become a better person. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.